Everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome. I hope you are all having a fantastic day and with good health. Today, we are diving straight into a critical topic in English and Urdu. The new era of earning on Facebook, biggest monetization updates for 2025. We are going to break down exactly how content creators and businesses can maximize their revenue this year. Let's get started. The new era of earning. Facebook's biggest monetization updates in 2025. The year 2025 marks a seismic shift in how creators and businesses earn revenue on Facebook, Meta. Driven by a push for a simplified, unified creator experience and an algorithm that prioritizes authentic, engaging content. The platform has retired a patchwork of individual programs in favor of a single, all-encompassing system. The biggest update is the Content Monetization Program, CMP. A move that fundamentally changes the rules of the game for anyone relying on Facebook for income. This comprehensive guide breaks down the core changes, the strategies you must adopt, and the crucial policy shifts that define the 2025 monetization landscape. The game-changing shift, the Content Monetization Program, CMP. The single most significant update for 2025 is the official retirement of several familiar, separate programs, including Reels bonuses, performance bonuses, and the traditional in-stream ads system, and their consolidation into the Content Monetization Program, CMP. 1. A unified earning ecosystem. Previously, creators had to separately qualify for and manage earnings from in-stream ads on long-form video, ad revenue on Reels, and various bonus programs. The CMP combines these into one unified system. 5. This simplifies the creator dashboard, allowing for streamlined tracking of performance and earnings across all content types in a single place. 2. Monetizing all content formats. The CMP is designed to pay creators for performance across a broader range of content formats. This is a massive departure from the video-only revenue models of the past. Under the CMP, earnings can now be generated from videos, long-form and live, Reels, short-form video, photo posts, text update stories, in some eligible formats. This means the algorithm is rewarding overall content performance and engagement, encouraging a diversified content strategy rather than exclusive reliance on video. Payouts are now determined by an overall performance-based model, where quality, watch time, and engagement metrics are factored across the entire spectrum of a creator's output. 3. Simplified eligibility. While requirements still demand compliance with Meta's content and monetization policies, the CMP simplifies the process of accessing multiple tools. Creators are typically required to have a professional profile or a creator page, be 18 or older, and meet a minimum follower count, often 500 or more, and engagement metrics to access the new program tools. 2. The ad revenue and brand partnership evolution. Beyond the CMP, the way advertisers operate and the rules they must follow have undergone severe updates, directly affecting creator income. 1. The death of third-party data and privacy-first ads, driven by global regulatory pressure, like the end of third-party cookie tracking and Apple's privacy changes. Facebook has solidified its shift to a privacy-first ad model. Focus on first-party data. Brands can no longer rely on external data for hyper-personalized targeting. Success in 2025 is predicated on brands' ability to collect and leverage their first-party data, customer emails, website visits, and utilize Meta's advanced AI to build lookalike audiences based on that data, rather than scraping external information. Stricter transparency. Ad policies now have a heightened emphasis on transparency and truthfulness. Ads with overly aggressive sales language. Guaranteed results, or unverified claims, are being penalized by the AI-driven ad review system. 2. The AI-driven ad and content vetting process. Meta is leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms to enforce policies in real time. Automated vetting. AI automatically identifies and limits the reach of content that is deemed sensationalistic, misleading, or violates policies, such as hate speech or misinformation. This means content creators must be meticulously compliant to avoid having their reach, and therefore their earnings, severely restricted. Dynamic ad optimization. The Meta Ads Manager in 2025 is heavily reliant on AI for optimization. Advertisers can upload multiple creative assets, videos, images, captions, and the AI dynamically combines and serves the best performing versions to individual users. This makes traditional A/B testing of specific ad elements less useful, placing more importance on providing high quality, varied creative inputs. 3. Creator survival strategy in 2025 for creators and businesses looking to thrive under the new monetization rules. A strategic shift in content creation is mandatory. 1. Prioritize multi-format and original content. The CMP rewards creators who engage their audience across multiple formats. The single most important strategy is to diversify your output. Reels remain key. While the bonus program is gone, Reels are still the primary discovery engine. They are essential for gaining new followers, which then feeds into the monetization of your other content. Long-form value. Continue to create high-quality, long-form videos, 3+ minutes, to qualify for and maximize in-stream ad revenue, which tends to offer higher CPMs than short-form ads. Human-centric content. As the platform becomes saturated with AI-generated content, authentic, human-centered content that encourages private sharing, via Messenger or WhatsApp, will be highly valued by the algorithm. 2. Embrace direct fan support tools. While the CMP is the major source of passive ad income, fan subscriptions and stars remain vital for consistent, predictable revenue. Stars. Viewers can purchase and send stars during live streams and eligible videos, with creators earning a share. 26. This encourages direct interaction during live sessions. Subscriptions. Offering exclusive, high-value perks to paying subscribers provides a stable monthly income stream, insulating creators from the volatility of ad rates. 3. Strategic community building in groups. Organic reach for pages is at its lowest point ever in 2025.28. The algorithm heavily favors personal connections and group activity. Brands and creators must view groups not just as a community tool, but as a crucial discovery engine. 29. By building valuable, discussion-driven groups, businesses can bypass the poor organic page reach and attract new members who are highly engaged with their niche content. Thumbnail design strategy. Focus on the shift and money. The goal is to create a sense of urgency, highlight the big change, and clearly show the money. Success. Core visual elements. 1. Element. The big change, shift, suggestion icon, image. A large arrow going upwards and/or a critical X mark over the old programs, Reels ads, in-stream ads. Purpose. Signify the old way is dead and a new, better, or mandatory, way has arrived. 2. Element, monetization, money. Suggestion icon, image, giant $, sign, a stack of cash, or a graph going up. Purpose. Immediately communicate the topic is about earning money. 3. Element. The creator, you suggestion icon, image. A creator's face, the video maker, with a clear, surprised, excited, serious expression. Purpose. Personalize the urgency and advice. 4. Element, new program name, suggestion icon, image. A clear text callout, CMP, or new program, purpose. Give the viewer the new buzzword to focus on. Text placement and hierarchy. 1. Main focus, biggest text, biggest Facebook monetization updates. 2. Year, urgency, secondary text. 2025. Perhaps in a contrasting color or placed next to a siren, alarm icon. The what optional smaller text, old ads out, or all in one system. This can be placed near the X mark arrow. Conclusion, summary. The future is unified and quality driven. The Facebook monetization updates of 2025 represent a clear pivot toward a unified, performance-based ecosystem. 3.0 Meta has consolidated its earning tools to simplify the creator experience while simultaneously tightening the reins on content quality and ad compliance. The message is clear. Success on Facebook in the new era is no longer about chasing a specific bonus program or format. 3.2. It is about consistently publishing diverse, high-quality, original, and policy-compliant content across all formats to maximize earnings through the overarching content monetization program. Adaptability, content diversity, and an unwavering focus on community engagement are the pillars of financial success on the platform in 2025. That's a strong and relevant title for a YouTube video in 2025. Based on the latest updates and the search results, the biggest shift in 2025 is the move to the Facebook Content Monetization Program, CMP. Thank you.
सबको अस्सलाम वालेकुम और खुश आमदीद। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सबका दिन बहुत अच्छा गुजरेगा और अच्छी सेहत के साथ। आज हम अंग्रेजी और उर्दू में एक अहम मौजू पर सीधा गोता लगा रहे हैं, फेसबुक पर कमाई का नया दौर। 2025 के लिए सबसे बड़ी मॉनेटाइजेशन अपडेट्स। हम इस बात को बिल्कुल दुरुस्त करने जा रहे हैं कि किस तरह मवाद तख्लीक करने वाले और कारोबार इस साल अपनी आमदनी को ज्यादा से ज्यादा कर सकते हैं। आइए शुरू करें। कमाई का नया दौर। 2025 में फेसबुक की सबसे बड़ी मोनेटाइजेशन अपडेट्स। साल 2025 इस बात में एक ज़लज़ला तब्दीली का निशान है कि किस तरह तख्लीककार और कारोबार फेसबुक मेटा पर आमदनी कमाते हैं। एक आसान, मुत्तहिद तख्लीककार के तजर्बे और एक एल्गोरिथम जो मुस्तनद, दिलचस्प मवाद को तरजीह देता है कि ये एक दबाव के जरिए कारफरमा प्लेटफॉर्म में इनफरादी प्रोग्रामों के एक पीछवर्ग को एक वाहिद हमजहत निजाम के हक में खत्म कर दिया है। सबसे बड़ी अपडेट कंटेंट मोनेटाइजेशन प्रोग्राम CMP है। एक ऐसा इक़दाम जो फेसबुक पर आमदनी के लिए इंहिसार करने वाले हर फर्द के लिए गेम के उसूलों को बुनियादी तौर पर तब्दील करता है। गेम चेंजर शिफ्ट मवाद मोनेटाइजेशन प्रोग्राम CMP 2025 के लिए वाहिद सबसे अहम अपडेट कई मानूस अलग अलग प्रोग्रामों की बाज़ाब्ता रिटायरमेंट है, बशमूल रेलस बोनस, परफॉर्मेंस बोनस और रिवायती उन स्ट्रीम इश्तिहारात का निजाम और उनका मवाद मोनेटाइजेशन प्रोग्राम CMP में यकजा होना। एक यूनिफाइड अर्निंग इकोसिस्टम। तमाम मवाद की शक्लों को मोनेटाइज करना, वीडियोस, लंबी शक्ल और लाइव रेलस, मुख्तसर शक्ल की वीडियो, तस्वीरी पोस्ट्स, टेक्स्ट अपडेट्स, कहानियां, कुछ अहल फॉर्मेट्स में। 3 आसान अहलियत। नतीजा खुलासा मुस्तक़बिल मुत्तहिद और मयार पर मबनी है। 2025 की फेसबुक मोनेटाइजेशन अपडेट्स एक मुत्तहिद कारकर्दगी पर मबनी इकोसिस्टम की तरफ एक वाज़ेह महवर की नुमाइंदगी करती हैं। 30 मेटा ने तख्लीक कार के तजर्बे को आसान बनाने के लिए अपने कमाई के डॉलर्स को मजबूत किया है और साथ ही साथ मवाद के मयार और इश्तिहार की तमील पर लगाम भी मजबूत की है। पैगाम वाज़ेह है, नए दौर में फेसबुक पर कामयाबी अब किसी मखसूस बोनस प्रोग्राम या फॉर्मेट का पीछा करने के बारे में नहीं है, बल्कि ये तमाम फॉर्मेट्स में मुतनव्वे, आला मयार, असल और पॉलिसी के मुताबिक मवाद शाये करने के बारे में है, ताकि वसी तर मवाद मोनेटाइजेशन प्रोग्राम के जरिए कमाई को ज्यादा से ज्यादा किया जा सके। मुवाफिकत, मवाद का तनव्वु और कम्युनिटी की शमूलियत पर गैर मुतज़लज़ल तवज्जो 2025 में प्लेटफॉर्म पर माली कामयाबी के सुतून हैं। ये 2025 में यूट्यूब वीडियो के लिए एक मजबूत और मुतालिका उन्वान है। ताज़ा तरीन अपडेट्स और तलाश के नताइज की बुनियाद पर 2025 में सबसे बड़ी तब्दीली फेसबुक कंटेंट मोनेटाइजेशन प्रोग्राम सी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट में जाना है। शुक्रिया। आज हम अंग्रेजी और उर्दू में एक अहम मौजू पर सीधा गोता लगा रहे हैं, फेसबुक पर कमाई का नया दौर। 2025 के लिए सबसे बड़ी मोनेटाइजेशन अपडेट्स। हम इस बात को बिल्कुल दुरुस्त करने जा रहे हैं कि किस तरह मवाद तख्लीक करने वाले और कारोबार इस साल अपनी आमदनी को ज्यादा से ज्यादा कर सकते हैं। आइए शुरू करें। कमाई का नया दौर। 2025 में फेसबुक की सबसे बड़ी मोनेटाइजेशन अपडेट्स। साल 2025 इस बात में एक ज़लज़ला तब्दीली का निशान है कि किस तरह तख्लीक कार और कारोबार फेसबुक में तक पर आमदनी कमाते हैं। एक आसान मुत्तहिद तख्लीक कार के तजर्बे और एक एल्गोरिथम जो मुस्तनद दिलचस्प मवाद को तरजीह देता है कि ये एक दबाव के जरिए कारफरमा प्लेटफॉर्म में इंफरादी प्रोग्रामों के एक पीचवर्क को एक वाहिद हमजहत निजाम के हक में खत्म कर दिया है।
Thanks very much. Thanks very much. Thanks very much.